Extracurricular activities. Hello everyone. Mappineering can help you organize extracurricular activities. Place extracurricular activities at the center of your mind map. Branch out to clubs and organizations, sports, volunteering, and creative pursuits. Under each branch, detail specific activities, schedules, and goals. For example, under volunteering, list potential organizations, available time slots, and personal objectives. This visual tool helps you balance your extracurricular commitments with your academic responsibilities. Mind maps can make your participation more structured and fulfilling. Can you dig it? I knew that you could. Peace.